Welcome to Meg's Motorcycle Journey, where we explore the world on two wheels. This channel will follow me on my journey to become a better rider and explore my love of all things motorcycles. Hey guys, this is going to be a short little video for Valentine's Day because I thought it was appropriate. I was fortunate enough to have the opportunity to design a custom vest by First Manufacturing Company. And as you will see in a few moments, it is very appropriate for Valentine's Day. So you'll get to hear a little bit about that. But I also wanted to make a couple of other announcements. I will be in Daytona and hopefully get an opportunity to meet some of you guys on March 6th. I'll be at Thunder at the Pavilion beginning around 10 o'clock until about 5 in the afternoon. So I look forward to hopefully meeting some of you guys while I am there. The other thing that I mentioned briefly at the end of my last video, but didn't really have a chance to go into, is I have designed some Meg's Motorcycle Journey merchandise, t-shirts, posters, other things. So I will put a link to those things in the description of this video. Finally, my bike is still in the shop waiting on new handlebars. A lot of you suggested that I get them, and I'm really excited to have that taken care of. So I'm really hopeful that I'm going to get it back in the next couple of days so that I'm able to do a sissy bar install video before I leave for Daytona. So fingers crossed that I'll be able to do that. You'll see this video is another video that is taped in Lauren's garage because she lives close to me and has an opportune space. So I hope you guys enjoy the review of my vest, and I'll have a fantastic Valentine's Day. Hey guys, so I was really fortunate because First Manufacturing Company reached out to me and asked me if I would like to create a custom vest. So the custom vest tool is super cool online, and I had even looked at it before they reached out to me, so I was really excited that they gave me this opportunity. So I actually didn't realize that it was coming to me, and it just came in this white bag. So I was really excited when I opened it. Now, I went in kind of a different direction than normal because I already have a black leather vest, and like a lot of you guys have the same thing, so I wanted to be different. And also in keeping with what I like, so I got this red one, which is really cool. Colored leather is not something that I see a lot, but they gave you so many options. Oh, I forgot to mention. You guys have met my best friend Lauren in some of my other videos. Her husband was getting a Harley, and we went to look at Harleys, and he did end up getting the fat. And maybe you'll get to meet her husband in some of our upcoming videos, because hopefully he'll be able to ride with us a lot when it gets warmer. Anyway, back to the vest. So I really wanted it to be custom, and you guys know that black and red are my colors, so I designed this with that in mind and with my bike in mind. So it let you select a bunch of things. It let you select the back panel, which is super nice. It's this silky material. And it's a paisley pattern. It lets you choose the style of vest. There was different selections for the neck and how it closed, the stitching. So I know it might be kind of cheesy, but I love it. It's hearts, so I did if you can see the black stitching with the hearts. It allows you to choose whether you want what you want here on the trim of the arms, and so I liked the black and red leather, as well as the lace-up sides. That was also an option that you didn't have to do. And then they asked you for your size. So put it on. It's super nice on the inside. It has these pockets. If you have a wear and carry permit, you can carry in both pockets. It's got this other inside Velcro pocket, which is pretty nice. It's got these outside pockets that close with a snap. Looks like you can close it with either the zipper or, so you can zip it closed, or you can close it with the snaps, which might be a little bit difficult to do, not in front of the mirror. So I think it truly would stay closed and give you some wind protection. So I think it fits pretty nice. Let me check it out in the mirror real quick. And it's kind of different. Like I said, I have a lot of things in black leather. Don't have anything in red leather. The leather is super soft and really nice. And the process for selecting it and having it made was really easy. So a big shout out and thank you to First Manufacturing Company for hooking me up with this awesome vest. And I would highly encourage you to go check out their page, check out their custom vest creation tool, and see all the different options for customizing a vest to be exactly what you want. Thanks, guys.